Hi children, good morning all. Hope you all are doing good. In the last class we have taken exercise 2.4 children. Yes or no? We have completed our exercise 2.4. Today we are going to start our exercise 2.5. This is your introduction part children. Here are few identities. Identities are nothing but formulas children. Okay. X plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so we have 9 identities children. Okay, now you have to by heart this, you have to learn this children. Okay, these are very important formulas. Okay, complete 2.5 exercises depending on these formulas. Okay, now see here, first page number 49, exercise 2.5. Okay, on page number 49, do this. Okay, this do these sums. Okay, now we are going to do these sums. Okay, first one is x plus 5 x plus 5. Here children, x plus 5 is nothing but x plus 5 whole square, because x 5 plus same is there, so we can write x plus 5 whole square, as you all know we have done in our 8th class. Yes or no? Now x plus 5 whole square. Now from these identities, which identity is related to this example? Here first one, because see here, x plus y whole square, plus is there and whole square is there. Here also plus is there and whole square is there. Okay, now so we have to take this identity. Okay, first identity. So first I'll write the formula. You have to write the formulas in boxes. Yes or no children? X plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now see here, x is nothing but x itself. Okay, so x is equals to x. What is your y? Y is equals to 5. Okay, now x plus y. Okay, x plus y. So x is nothing but x itself, y is nothing but 5. Okay, now already they have given in this form, we have to convert into this form. Okay, now so first is x square. X is what here? X itself. X square plus, after plus 2 as it is. X is what? X itself. Y is what? 5. So here if the numbers are like this, we have to write into dots, you can keep it, or else you can write into. Okay, now so we will be writing into, plus y is what children? 5. Y square we are going to write. Okay, now x square as it is, plus 2 into 5 is nothing but 2 5s are 10, into x is nothing but 10x, plus 5 square is nothing but 5, we have to write 2 times. 5 into 5 is nothing but 25. So we have to write 25. Okay, now children, till here our answer is. Okay, so what is our answer? Therefore x plus 5 whole square is equals to x square plus 10x plus 25. This is your rough column. Here we should not add this all children, because here square is there, here there is no square. Okay, so we should not add. Here x is there, for 25 x is not there, so we should not add it. Okay, now we have to leave as it is. Okay, next is fifth bit. Next is same, do this fifth bit children. Okay, ये fifth bit is 102 into 98. Okay, 102 into 98. Now for 102, how can we write? We can write 100 plus 2. Okay, for 98, how can we write? 100 minus 2. Are you understanding children? For 100, here you should not multiply directly children, we have to do along with the formula only. Okay, we have to use identity here. So 100 plus 102, we can write it as 100 plus 2. 98 we can write it as 100 minus 2. Okay, now we can use which identity here? See, one is plus and one is minus, and there is no square. Okay, so we can take, here we don't have any square. 100 plus 2, 100 minus 2. Okay, so we can take this third identity. Are you understanding, children? See here. Here we don't have any squares. Okay, and we have two brackets. So here we have two brackets, and one is plus and one is minus. So we can use this formula. Okay, why we did not use here? Because here both are plus. Because of that reason we have taken square. Here one is plus and one is minus. Okay, now I'll be writing the identity. You have to write the identity in box. Okay, so x square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. Now they have given in this form, so we have to convert in this form. Okay, now x is what, children? Here x is nothing but 100. X plus y, x plus y, x is nothing but 100. X is equals to 100. Y is equals to what? Y is nothing but 2. Now already they have given in this form, we have to convert in this form. Okay, so x square, that is nothing but 100 square, minus y is what, children? 2. 2 square. 100 square. 100 into 100 is what? You have to multiply. 100 into 100 is, you have to multiply, children, like this. 100 into 100. Okay, when you multiply, you will get the answer as 10,000. Okay, minus 2 into 2 is what? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So we are going to write 4. Now 10,000 minus 4 is what, children? 9,996. Okay, now therefore 100 plus 2, 100 minus 2 is equals to 9,996. Did you all understood, children? Now see here, next is example 18. We are going to do example 18 now. Here example 18 is factorize. Factorize they have given. This is your example 18. Okay, so first one is x square plus 5x plus 4. This is factorization, so you have to do, okay, you have to do by yourself, children. You know already factorization sums we have done before. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now I am going to show you second bit. Second bit is 9x square minus 25. 9x square minus 25. Now given 9, for 9 how can we write in square, children? We can write 3x whole square. See here, 3 3s is 9, x into x is x square. Minus for 25 how can I write? 5 square. Okay, for 9 we can write 3, and for x as it is x whole square. Whole is nothing but for 3 also square will belong, for x also square will be belong. Okay, minus for 25 I can write 5 square. Now which identity? It is same identity. So they have given in this form. Now we have to convert into this form. So first I'll write the identity. X square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. Now what is x here? X is nothing but this complete is x. X is equals to 3x. Y is equals to what, children? 5. See here both are squares and between minus is there. So these both are square and between minus is there. Okay, now are you all understanding, children, how to identify identities? Now x plus y. X is nothing but 3x plus y is what? 5. Here x minus y is nothing but 3x minus 5. Therefore, now example 18, fourth bit, children. Okay, now given 49x square minus 112xy plus 64y square. Okay, now see here, first the square terms we have to make in square, children. Okay, this x square is there, here y square is there. So for whole we have to make, because here number is there. For this number also we need square. Okay, now 49 how can I write? 49 I can write as 7x whole square. 7 7 is 49. X into x is x square. 49x square. So we have to make in complete bracket we need, children. Okay, now for 64, how can I write? Here minus 112xy plus, for 64 how can I write? I can write it as 8y whole square. Okay, 8y whole square. Now we can do the identity. Okay, first one is square, last one is square. First we have minus and second we have plus. First one is square, last one is square, but first we have minus, so this is not our identity. First one is square, last one is square, and one is minus and one is plus, so this is our identity, suitable identity. Now I have to write the formula. X minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. It can be this hand side, they can give this side, children. We have to convert into this form, or else they can give you this form, we have to convert into this. Okay, now already we have done this in 8th class, children. Okay, now they have given already this complete part here. Okay, we have to convert into this form. First, what is x? X is nothing but 7x. This complete is x. Okay, this complete is y. So what is y? Y is equals to 8y. We have to convert only in this form. X is what? 7x minus y is what? 8y whole square. That's it. Okay, now see here, remaining all the sums you have to do. Okay, now related to this identities only. First you need to copy this all, children. Okay, now copy these all 9 identities. Okay, take a screenshot, and first you have to write this introduction part of these identities, then go to the solving. Okay, first see the question properly, and then related identity you have to apply it to the question. Okay, now and assume x and y properly. Okay, now children, I hope you all will do it properly and you all have understood it. Okay, now for now only first to fourth identities only you need to use, children. Okay, now okay, thank you, children. Have a good day.